Brr. You're not cold.
No.
Freezing.
All right. I'm all set.
Me too.
There's Miss Pearl. Let me turn it just a touch. There we go. All right. Gotta take the jacks down. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hang on.
I don't think I've been in here since
First, like, it's moaning.
like a lot of things you feel when it does that. Like a lot of things that it. Oh goodness.
Waiting for the little light to go off.
Oh, I see where you put the other one.
You like that?
Yeah.
I think it'll be a neat view.
Yeah.
Looks like it's right where the wiper blade comes to the edge. I can see the line.
Yeah. Is that good?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, jacks are up. I'm gonna turn the jack system off. Fire in the hole.
Okay. Got all the slides in good and.
Yep, everything's in.
So do you do like a walk around like
Yeah,
you
I just did. I did.
You do with like you did with the
Yep.
mallard?
Okay.
Probably different things to look for though with this.
Yeah. Okay.
Away we go.
Away we go. Turn the key, changing the view.
Temporarily.
Yeah. Coming out.
You can turn it up a little now if you want to.
Okay.
So did you figure out? That sounds good to me. Oh, the radio is what doesn't work.
No, the radio works fine now. After I changed the batteries. After I changed the batteries in the
that
RV,
fixed it.
it fixed it.
Oh.
The antenna lights started working.
Did you do that yesterday?
No, I did that a while ago.
I thought you said that it was still
No, the radio.
doing that.
No, the radio got fixed
Oh,
when I replaced the house batteries.
okay.
Well, that works now. I can see my TV screen still, and I can still
Why are we
see.
going this way?
To get gas,
Oh, that's right. You wanted to get gas.
I need to tilt this screen up a little more. I'll do that when we get gas. Oh, that's gonna be handy, right there like that.
What is your?
Mine.
Yeah, yeah. That's a good spot. And you still got a cup holder.
Still got a cup holder.
Yeah.
These are too shallow to do anything.
Yeah. I don't know what those are for.
I think they're for like a coffee
Coffee
cup,
cup.
or a can of
'Cause I
soda.
don't have a cup holder.
Like, I think a can of soda would fit in there, but
Like my water bottles.
we're gonna have to start
Oh,
thinking about
no.
something for you.
Yeah, because yeah.
All right, we need cup holder ideas, guys. Kid and dog hanging out the window.
What happens? Well, with my tennis shoes on, I think the height of the seat's just fine. Actually, I think I'll be more comfortable with it this height than the other one. You sure they're turning?
It's just like a normal,
the normal mirror, and
And
then
it
the
looks-
bottom one kind of is more
and it looks right down the edge of the
the
camper.
the
RV,
yeah. Oh, I wish we were going somewhere
Me too.
besides just the storage unit. Oh, you're pulling in here, coming in from the other way?
Yeah, I see how the fire trucks do this.
Oh, that's what they do. Okay. Nice. Then how will they get out?
I'm not sure yet.
You'd like go around?
Oh, my thing's on this side. I screwed up. I came in the wrong way. I should have came in.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to go around. You can go to the right and then come around, can't you? Right? You know what I'm talking about? Go along the right edge here
Yeah.
and then come around. No? Or can you not make that turn back at the back?
I can probably make the turn, but my thing's on your side.
That's what I'm saying. If you go around, then the thing will be on the pump, like that big open area.
Back there?
You know, you don't know what I'm saying. You
So
don't
go
know what
around?
I'm saying. Yeah.
Go around like this?
Yeah, and then wouldn't my side be along the pumps on the inside there?
Yeah, and then back up.
What do you mean back up? I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know.
Well, I gotta
can't
get your
picture.
side to the pumps.
I know.
So either wait for these two cars to leave. There's just one just pulled in.
You don't understand what I'm
No,
saying.
I don't.
Because I'm saying, okay, see the right, see all those parking places? If you go along, and see now somebody's already in that area where there was nobody.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. And you could have gotten in there, but now you can't because, yeah. Never mind, you should have just stayed put and waited. I see. But you see what I was saying? I don't know if you could have
I don't
gotten
know
in.
if I can get in
Yeah. So I think you're going to have to
there. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna come in on this. I'm gonna go out
Yeah.
and back in.
Well, you just got to learn it.
Yep. Actually, you know what? Since I don't have the car,
You can back up
I can back up.
and go on the outside.
Yep.
And wait till that car leaves. But you said my pump is on. Oh, you're gonna go, yeah. So if I see, oh, if someone's probably inside.
Probably.
He's just, why are they just sitting there?
Don't know, but they're gonna be there for a while because I'm not budging.
Yeah. I don't understand why they're sitting there. I guess they're waiting for somebody to,
I'll probably
we're waiting for these
I'll
guys.
probably
We're-
fill up most of this. My pump's
Yeah.
it's by my rear wheels.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. I guess they just figured it out.
I think so.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I could have.
You don't know.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the way through
Yeah, I would.
because
Just come all the
the
way
way I
down
don't get
here.
blocked.
Yeah. I don't know what they were doing, just sitting there.
That's about right.
Oh, because you don't want to be out in the road. Because if you went all the way forward, right?
That was Burr out there.
Yeah. That's why I was like, because it's in the 50s, I think.
Yeah. 21.43.
How much?
21 gallons. Oh, $74.
Ooh.
21 gallons.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, let me write this down.
Were you chatting with him?
Yeah, we're getting fuel.
Yeah, that's good.
Until we went to Ringgold to get this at Christmas.
Oh, yeah. What do you
Ho,
say?
ho, ho, Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Did you tell him we got it, like how old it was?
No, I didn't get into that.
No, yeah.
All right, rolling out of here now. The trick here is to keep an eye on my butt.
Yeah.
Make sure I don't take out any pumps.
Oh, you're going to the left, right?
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go around.
Oh, okay.
I guess I could go that way, or.
No, you don't have to. It's up to you.
Right. I guess I could go this way.
Just kind of go around back into our neighborhood, right?
No, that's gonna go downtown.
Main Street? Oh, will you fit down Main Street okay?
Trucks do it.
Is it nice? Did you say you did remember a trash can, right?
Yeah, it's in the truck, I think.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that helped the camera a lot.
Yeah, I thought for us, so maybe that's not going to be a good spot.
Maybe it is. I mean, we'll see how it looks afterwards.
Yeah.
It cleaned that spot where it looks out.
Oh, okay.
Now, from what I'm being told is,
Oh, you got the green light too.
I know. I'm bigger than everybody.
I know. I don't think you're going to make it.
Yeah, well,
Oh, okay. Whew. Good thing no one was. Yeah, okay.
but it's explained is I'm bigger, so I got
Who said that?
some of the guys that are doing RV driving.
Oh, the way it has been explained, you're
Yeah,
bigger.
yeah. Just take your time.
Yeah. They can deal.
Yep, they can deal with it.
I don't have my sunglasses.
Maybe I'll move it over just a smidge.
What do you mean?
The GoPro, the windshield, the front windshield
Oh.
GoPro.
You can go 35 now. You're
Okay.
at 35,
The captain has ordered more speed.
so. Oh, I know if I was behind you, I would want it to be going faster in the 35.
I see somebody back there.
Huh?
I can kind of see that U-Haul back there.
Yeah, I don't think they don't want to take a chance to go around you.
Hey, see?
Well, I'm just
No,
saying.
looky. There's,
I know.
there's the popo.
Yeah, so you're keeping the U-Haul,
No, I'm just not speeding, so that's good.
yeah. I wasn't asking you to speed. I
Oh.
was just saying, let's go the speed limit.
Okay. Ooh, it's windy.
I know. I didn't know it was going to be windy today.
Since I'm getting it this weekend, I'm not going to put the tire covers on
Okay.
because it's.
Oh, next year will be a lot better because you won't have as much to do. Next
No, I
year
just
on
do
it,
the
as
clean the
much to
carpet
do
like
on
I
it.
normally do.
Yeah. Why is there an arrow? So, that guy you were talking to, does he have a camper that he'll be?
I don't think so.
No, he's just driving down.
Yeah.
Probably stayed in a hotel. Oh, we need to stop here on the way back.
Okay.
We get lettuce and macaroni and cheese. Did that U-Haul end up turning?
I don't know yet. I don't
Or
see
did
it
we just-
anywhere.
I'm thinking he probably turned.
best sealed fronts with the